mindfulness of sounds. Make yourself comfortable, sitting upright and relaxed. Scan your body and release whatever tension you may feel. And make the determination that for the period of this exercise, you'll try not to follow concerns about things other than being here now and what you're doing. Remember that for about 20 to 30 minutes, you don't have to do anything other than practicing mindfulness of sound. Also make the intention to maintain a stance of willingness, receptivity and openness to experience as it comes to you, arising and passing away. So now, turn your attention to sound. Be attentive to sound as sound or vibration. Bring attention to the sound of your own body, the sounds of the close vicinity around you, and also the sounds that seem to come from far off at a distance. Be alert but very relaxed, and receive sound as it comes to you. It may be the sound of your breath, a hum in your ears, or the sounds of your body as it moves. There may be sounds of birds, cars, traffic, air conditioning, wind, rain, or just the hum of silence. Notice how you may create images and labels around the sounds, such as dog barking, traffic, birds, or whatever. Try not to struggle with the labeling and the pictures, but distinguish the sound from the label. Let the labeling or the pictures be on the periphery of your awareness, and direct your attention back to sound as vibration, back to the immediate experience of sound here now. Notice how some sounds are pleasant, how some sounds may be unpleasant, and how some sounds are neither pleasant or unpleasant. Notice and note the judgments, and without struggle, let them go by simply coming back to sound here now, being present with sound. Here now, sounds arise, sounds change, and sounds pass away. Notice, if you can, the beginning, middle, and end of each sound. Listen closely, attentive to every nuance, every subtle shift and change. Notice how sound vibration may itself also be made up of other vibrations. Listen to sound as if you're listening to an orchestra of life, where you are the passive listener and the music of life plays around you. Notice how one sound connects and interplays with other sounds. And when your attention seems to shift away from sounds, notice the shift, then bring it back to presence, being open, resting comfortably with sound as your primary object of meditation. By bringing attention to sound, let the heart be stilled and calmed. Allow insight to awaken and be at peace. In a few moments we'll end this exercise, and you can bring attention back to whatever you need to. If mindfulness of sounds was helpful to you, remember that you can be mindful of sound whenever you need and it is suitable.